Welcome to our channel. If you want to automate your savings, follow these step-by-step instructions to build wealth effortlessly and reach your financial goals faster. Step 1. Determine how much you want to save each month by analyzing your income, expenses, and financial goals. A common rule is to save at least 20% of your income, but any amount is better than nothing. Step 2. Open a dedicated savings account separate from your checking account to avoid the temptation of spending your savings. Look for high-yield savings accounts that offer competitive interest rates and no monthly fees. Step 3. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Schedule these transfers to occur right after your paycheck is deposited so you save before you have a chance to spend. Step 4. Use your employer's direct deposit feature to split your paycheck between multiple accounts. Direct a portion to your savings account and the remainder to your checking account for everyday expenses. Step 5. Round up your purchases using apps or bank features that automatically round each debit card transaction to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference to your savings account. Step 6. Automate contributions to retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matching programs to maximize your savings and benefit from tax advantages. Step 7. Set up automatic increases to your savings rate annually or whenever you receive a raise. Gradually increasing the percentage you save ensures continuous progress toward your financial goals without feeling the pinch. Step 8. Track your progress regularly by reviewing your savings balance and adjusting your automated contributions as your financial situation changes or your goals evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.